In this video, we will study about types of rolling mills. At first, let's see what is rolling mill. A rolling mill is an industrial or mechanical device that shapes metal by passing it between heavy rotating rollers. Here you can see the diagram of the rolling mill. The process compresses the material to a uniform thickness, enhances its strength, and elongates it without causing material waste. Now, now let's look at the parts of the rolling mill. A rolling mill consists of the following parts. Number 1 is mill housing. Number 2 is main drive motor. Number 3 is pinion stand gearbox. Number 4 is reducing gear. Number 5 is coupling gears and flywheel. Now let's move on to the main topic, which is types of rolling mills. There are mainly 8 types of rolling mills. Rolling mills are mainly classified on the basis of the number of rollers and arrangement of the rollers in the rolling mill. Number 1 is 2 high rolling mill, 3 high rolling mill, 4 high rolling mill, multi high rolling mill, tandem or continuous rolling mill, cluster rolling mill, planetary rolling mill, universal rolling mill. Now let's look at the first rolling mill, that is 2 high rolling mill. Here you can see the diagram of the rolling mill. This type of rolling mill has 2 rollers as shown in the figure below. Lower roll and upper roll. Both the rollers revolve at the same speed but in opposite direction. Direction of rotation of both the rollers are in opposite direction. Means if one will rotate in clockwise direction, then the other will rotate in the. You can see here the direction of roller using the curved arrow here. It is made like this, which means it will rotate in clockwise direction, and this means it will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. The direction of feed is in this direction. The space between the roller are adjusted by raising and lowering the upper roll, which is adjustable. To reduce the thickness of the workpiece, it can be fed from one direction only. However, there is another kind of 2 high rolling mills in which workpiece can be fed from both directions. Here are some images of 2 high rolling mills machine. Here you can see there are only 2 rollers, here and here also. Now we will see the second rolling mill, which is the 3 high rolling mill. Here you can see the diagram of the 3 high rolling mill. Three high rolling mill consist of three rolls arranged one above other as shown in the figure. The direction of rotation of upper and lower rolls are same, but the middle roll rotates in the opposite direction. These two have same direction and these roll have opposite direction. These two have same direction, and this roll has opposite direction. These type of rolling mills are used for rolling of continuous passes in a rolling sequence without reversing the drives. There is This results in a higher rate of production than the two high rolling mill. This is the image of a three high rolling mill machine. Here you can see there are three rollers. We will see the four high rolling mill. Here you can see the diagram of the four high rolling mill. In this type of rolling machine, two rollers are in direct contact with the workpiece, and the other two rolls are used as backup rolls. The two rolls which are in direct contact are called working rolls, and the rest of two are called backup rolls. The two rolls which are in direct contact with the workpiece are smaller than backup rolls and are called working rolls. Backup rolls are used to prevent the deflection of the smaller rolls or the working rolls, which otherwise would result in thickening of rolled plates at the center. Here you can see the image of a four high rolling mill. Here you can see four rolls. These two are backup rolls and these two are working rolls. Now the fourth one is multi-high rolling mill. Here you can see the diagram of multi-high rolling mill. Multi-high rolling mill uses two small working rollers, some driving rollers. A row of intermediate roll is present between the working rollers and the row of backup rollers. This arrangement of rollers achieves exceptional rigidity. These rolling mills are generally used to create sheets of minimal thickness. Here you can see in the diagram the small two ones working rollers. The second and third rows of roller are intermediate rollers, and the last row of rollers, these two, are backup rollers. Now we will see the fifth rolling mill, which is tandem or continuous rolling mill. Here you can see the diagram of tandem or continuous rolling mill. It consists of number of non-reversing two high rolling mills arranged one after other, so that the material can be passed through all of them in sequence. It is suitable for mass production work only, because for smaller quantities quick changes of setup will be required, and they will consume lot of labor and work. As you can see in the diagram, there are three set of rollers. This one, and this one. Now the next rolling mill is cluster rolling mill. In this type of rolling mill, is this type of rolling mill. Each of working roll is backed up by two or more larger backup rolls. The rolls are arranged as shown in the figure here. These rolling mills are used in rolling hard thin materials. For rolling hard thin materials, it may be necessary to employ work rolls of very small diameter but of considerable length. In such cases, adequate support of the working rolls can be obtained by using a cluster mill. Here you can see the working rolls are supported by two backup rollers in each side. This rolling mill is mainly used to roll very hard, thin materials. Now we will see the seventh rolling mill, which is planetary rolling mill. Here is the diagram of the planetary rolling mill. This type of rolling mill, a large backup roller is surrounded by many planetary small working rolls. Each planetary roll gives constant reduction. It is used to reduce large thickness of single pass of steel strip. Capacity is more than cluster rolling mill, but less than rolling mill. Here you can see in the diagram. There are many small working roll up and down both sides, which revolves around the two large backup rolls present in the middle. Now the last rolling mill is universal rolling mill. Here you can see the diagram of the universal rolling mill. Universal rolling mill consists of two vertical and two horizontal rollers. The vertical rollers are placed between the bearings of the horizontal rollers. These rolling mills are widely used for producing blooms from ingot's and rolling wide flange edge section beam. Here you can see in the diagram, this is a edge section beam. The beam in the red color is flange edge section beam. Also here are two, this one and this one. These two are horizontal rollers, and up and down side are two vertical rollers. So this is universal rolling mill. Now this is the image of universal rolling mill. Here you can see two horizontal and two vertical roller in both the diagram. Two horizontal and these two are vertical.